Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about diversity and the name of the chapter is Understanding Diversity. Before we move on, first we'll try to find out the different contents that we'll be covering today. First, we'll learn about the introduction part of the chapter, making friends. How do we make friends? What does diversity add to our lives? Because first we'll discover what do we mean by diversity and then we'll discover that what does diversity add to our lives. Then we'll talk about the diversity that influences India. How do we explain diversity? And ultimately the special quality of India, that is unity and diversity. Now the first image that I have shown to you is a classroom. A general thing which you all have observed, which you all must have experienced in your lives, a classroom. But what is so special about this classroom? There are several students sitting in this classroom, and what is special about these children? What is special about these students? Can you notice something? See, these all are your friends, or they may look like your friends, but they all are not same. They are different. Different maybe in their heights, maybe in their color, maybe in their nature, but yes, they are different. Then there are several people standing, like I am standing in front of you, like maybe the people who are moving around you, maybe some of the people you may have met in the morning, but again, are these all people similar? No, they are not. Now let's notice the difference that all these people have. They all are wearing different kinds of clothes. What does that mean? Just by wearing different kind of clothes, we think that a people becomes different? Certainly yes. Why? Because there is a reason behind the clothes that we wear. You see, everyone is different from each other in one way or the other. This is because everybody has a unique style. A style that you carry, a style that I carry, a style that your parents carry, and a style that your teachers carry, and maybe all the persons that you know. We not only don't look exactly like each other, but we also differ in terms of the language we speak, the kinds of the clothes we wear, the cultural backgrounds to which we believe, and the different religious rituals that we follow. Now you see, maybe the kind of the clothes that you are wearing and the kind of the clothes that your best friend wears are different. Similarly, you may follow a different religion and your friend may follow a different religion. When you are celebrating a particular festival, that festival that you celebrate and the festival that maybe your neighbors celebrate or your friends celebrate are totally different. We are going to do an interesting activity. Now, what is that activity? This is a box in which you have to fill some general information about yourself. When I go out, I like wearing. So, everybody has to fill something that they like to wear. Like if I have to go out, I like to wear something like jeans and t-shirts. At home I speak in. Then the second question that I ask you all is, what is the language that you speak at home? Like I speak English, I speak Hindi, and sometimes maybe with my mom I may speak Rajasthani too because I belong from Rajasthan. Similarly, you have to write the language which you speak when you are having a conversation with your family members. Then the third question that I ask is my favorite sport. So what is your favorite sport? You like to play hockey or cricket or badminton or volleyball or whatever sport you like. And the last question, I like reading books about. So what are the kind of the books that you like to read? Maybe fiction, maybe non-fiction, maybe mythological. There are several kinds of books. It's just like I want to have some information about you. Maybe this information, when we will compile, will help us to discover what do we mean by diversity. Ask your friends to fill these questions and then match your answers. So if you are sitting with your friends, this is going to be a nice activity. Fill in for yourself, ask your friends to fill in the same, and then we'll be finding the answers. We'll try to find and match the answers. Like I have told, if you ask me, I will fill all these answers.